Hey guys, this is Saili. Welcome to Saju's Kitchen. Today we are going to make India's most loved recipe, that is chaat. In this recipe, we are going to show how to make this cone chaat recipe in a very simple way. The ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen, and you can use this recipe as a party starter. So let's begin with the recipe. For preparing of cone chaat dough, all we need is 1 cup of maida, some carom seeds, salt to taste, 2 to 3 teaspoons of hot oil, and 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda. For making of dough, first we need to pour 1 cup of maida in a bowl. Add some salt to taste. Add some carom seeds. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of hot oil in it. And 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well. Add water in it as much as it needs and form a soft dough. Here's our dough is ready. Let the dough set for about 30 minutes. After resting for about 30 minutes, our dough is ready to process. Now we take a portion from this dough. Dust some flour on the countertop and roll a thin sheet. While we are rolling this sheet, put some oil to heat for deep frying. Here we are done with rolling this sheet. Now use a fork and make some holes in this sheet. Here I am using a steel glass that is greased with some oil. Now cover this sheet on the glass and form a cone. Press the corners and remove this excess portion. Press the corners likewise to fix it on the glass. In the same way, press this back side of the glass. Press it properly. Now we are going to deep fry this. Here we have preheated this oil. Now we are going to deep fry this cone. Fry it properly. from all the sides. Fry these cones on the low flame. Once our cone is fried properly, the glass remove automatically from this sheet. Here you can see our glass is removed properly. Now we are going to fry this cone from the inside. Remove the oil from this cone. And here's our cone is ready. For the stuffing of cone chaat, we need carrot sauce, green chutney, onions, chopped tomatoes, some shaved, coriander, boiled and mashed potatoes, muskmelon scoops, boiled matki and barbati that is tossed, some yogurt, chaat masala, black salt, red chili powder. Now we are going to stuff these cones. First I am going to add some green chutney. Second layer of yogurt. Now coat some carrot sauce. In the bottom add some mashed potatoes. Now stuff some tossed matki and barbati. Again add a layer of green chutney and some yogurt. Add some chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, some fresh coriander leaves, pinch of black salt, pinch of red chili powder, some chaat masala. On the top add some carrot sauce. Stuff with some shave. Garnish this with some muskmelon. And here's our cone chaat is ready. Enjoy eating this cone chaat. Give this recipe a try. Enjoy having these flavorsome recipes. If you like my videos, hit the like button. Do comments in the comment sections below and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link given in the description below. Thanks for watching.